I'd say like efficient and stylish.
Yeah, I think there's a cohesive.
Yeah. Collaborative.
I like collaborative.
Collaborative and efficient? My clients were able to purchase a old family home that had been in their family for about 100 years. It had been 3 apartments and combine it all into one.
It's like we kept the bones, but the shape of the space inside is very different.
Design-wise, it was great because we were able to throw off ideas between one another.
We're 2 firms coming together and overlapping and collaborating. Tana is bringing the design and as well supporting the communication with the contractor. She's the fundamental role of sourcing and aggregating all of the design elements and selection. So being able to see her schedules as she's made them and use that to ensure that our drawings are reflecting her selections, the client selections. Again, it's an invaluable tool.
Another great feature of Programa schedules is once we get all of the information in there, we can send it out in like one email to all of our vendors, and then they are able to get us pricing back very easily.
And what's nice about Programa is that if the client is going to it and clicking on the link, it's bringing them directly to what they specified or agreed upon. So it's never any room for confusion in that way. For this project, since Tana was building the schedules, it was really the view of everything for model numbers and just making sure that we're sizing everything correctly and having the engineers consult the correct specs.
We and the client can see how much the fixtures are coming in at and like if we're exceeding our budget in one area or another, and then we can tailor it back and swap out the millworkers or the engineers. We're able to easily share our schedules with them, and then they can see what kind of refrigerator we're going to put in there, and then they can make the panels to fit that refrigerator or dishwasher. And the same with the engineers. They'll know all of the appliances that we're using, all of the plumbing fixtures that we're using, what the flow is. That is super helpful because it's always up to date.
Programa really provides an opportunity to see and aggregate a lot of information, whether it's us doing it directly or knowing that our collaborator on a project like this is doing it appropriately and correctly. Again, we're talking about potentially, close to or over 100 items, 100 different items, the wrong finish, the wrong size, the wrong quantity. These are things that sound obvious, but can make bigger problems.
So with the client dashboard, it's incredibly helpful. The client is able to early on approve and deny. So we can present like 6 of one thing and say, what are you drawn to the most? And they can say this one. And it's just easy because we don't have a meeting to do it. They just do it when they want to. It goes from approved to ordered to shipped to installed to delivered. And in Programa, you can keep track of all of the dates that all of those items happen, and that keeps us all in check. Getting to walk into the space with it finished is incredibly rewarding, and knowing that my clients have been able to take it over and make it their home, I think the fact that they're proud of it is the best part for me because I'm proud of it.